Hello and welcome to this recording of Mastering Excel Data Bridge. Today we're going to look at deleting stock records in bulk from Sage 200 Professional. My name is Zoe Young. I'm one of the account managers at Draycir. So if you're already watching this recording, then you'll probably already know what Excel Data Bridge is. You might not be aware quite how many different functions that we have. Today we're going to focus on Stock Master. So, what's Stockmaster used for? There's three key areas, even though it does a lot more. But those key features are amending existing stock records, the ability to create new stock records, and of course, deleting stock records in bulk, which is what I'm going to take you through today. So let's have a look. So of course, deleting stock records in Sage 200 sometimes means costly SQL scripts that have to be written for you, but actually you can then do it yourself using Excel Data Bridge. So let's take a look. So I've got a product group in Sage 200 called hampers. And as you can see, I've got previous year's hampers in here that I want to delete because they're now discontinued. So what I'm going to do is just ask Excel Data Bridge to bring through a stock filter based on a product group. Product group for me is obviously going to be hampers. As you can see from the long list here, we can actually filter by anything that we need to. So just by populating hampers in there, that will then know when I download the stock, it will just bring through those hampers for me. So as you can see, they're all the stock records that have been bought through. You can see clearly all the previous years that I want to delete. So I've created a delete column with true or false. So everything that I want to delete, I'm going to add the word true to that column. It doesn't matter if I have stock items that are both active or inactive. This will work for both of them. Simply by clicking Process, this is going to remove all of those stock records from Sage. So in a moment, we'll be able to see the status Sage processed, which means that has taken place in Sage 200. So let's have a look in Sage 200. There's my original list, refresh, and hey presto, all of those previous years have been deleted. How easy was that? So that was me just taking you through the Excel data bridge function called Stock Master. Thank you for watching. Please speak to your Sage business partner for more information on pricing, or even if you want to book a demonstration. Otherwise, you can always come to Draycir and speak to us too. Thanks for watching. I've been Zoe Young.